Press the red button down below to subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get all latest videos from DKT Tech. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Divekant Thaledi and you're watching DKT Tech, and today we're gonna check out a cool and a very useful device for your vehicle, that is a micro GPS tracker which you can apply either on your bike, scooter or your beloved car. So without any further delay, let's quickly get started. Now the device was sent to us by Banggood.com for review purpose, and I've been using this device from past couple of weeks now, and I must say that this device is really useful not only for anti-theft purpose but also to keep an eye on your vehicle, and especially when you've given your vehicle to somebody else. Alright guys, now let's take a look on the main functions of this device. So number one is the real-time GPS tracker. Yes guys, it has a real-time GPS tracker which is linked by a Google map, so that you can identify easily the location of your vehicle in real time. And number two is the GPS fencing, or you may call as Lakshman Rekha for the device, because this one allows you to put your vehicle in virtual fence inside the Google map, and if the vehicle crosses the fencing area, it will notify you by buzzing alarm in your smartphone. And number third, it has the overspeed and offline alarm that will send notifications to your device if your vehicle is overspeeding and if the device is inactive. And finally, it has the ignition key alarm that will notify you when the ignition of your vehicle is turned on and off. So these functions seems to be quite interesting, right? Anyways, let's talk about the unboxing of this device. So here we have a very basic packaging, and inside it we have the main unit itself and a double-sided sticker, and further we have a quick start guide, and this one is very important to read, and I personally advise you to go through it in order to initially set the device. So before we get into the review, let's quickly talk about the specification of this device. Now this device is manufactured in a brand name called iMars, and its design is quite robust with dust and waterproof design. Here the device is quite portable with just 9 cm long, 3.2 cm wide, with thickness of just 2 cm, and it weighs less than 80 grams. Further, it has a 2G SIM card slot, as the device works only in 2G network with full-sized SIM card, and it also has a 370 mAh battery built in with multicolored LED indicators that allows you to set up the device initially. And further, it has a fairly long power cable that is about 1 meter. Since these three wires are naked, they are independent of any port or slot, so that you can apply on any vehicle easily. Now the device has GPS and AGPS dual positioning system, which locks the device pretty fast with 5 meters of accuracy. Alright guys, that's all about the specifications. Let's talk about the installation of this device quickly. Now to set up the device, it has two screws to open up the waterproof cap to locate the SIM card slot. Here we have waterproof rubber seal, and under that we have the SIM card slot and LED indicators above that. Now as you insert the SIM card into the device, if the device is fully charged, then you may see the LED lights indicating or blinking. Otherwise, you may need to connect the device directly to your battery. Now in order to use the device, you should have 2G GPRS pack enabled or activated in your SIM card with sufficient balance in the account, as this device will send SMSs while setting up initially. Now during the initial setup, I found it little complicated because it takes time to retrieve message from the device itself. So it takes a time to communicate with the device, because the device itself sends messages back to your phone when you send command from your phone. And as per the manual instructions, you will need to send SMSs or commands from your smartphone to the device, such as your network APN and admin phone number. And here the device will reply you back with OK SMS during the initial setup. And once the device setup is completed, you are ready to put this device on your vehicle. Either you may directly connect the device to your vehicle battery with positive and negative terminal. And if you are not sure about connecting the device to your vehicle, then don't do it yourself. You can go to the nearest accessories service center to apply this device into your vehicle. So basically it has three terminals. The red one is for positive, black is for negative, and the third one is for the ignition key. And this ignition terminal allows you to get the information about the switching on and off the ignition key. Alright guys, here in my case, I applied this device on the car and also on the scooter, that is Suzuki Axis, and everything worked really well. And I personally like the GPS functionality of this device, and what I don't like about this device is that the initial complicated setup. Rest everything was just fine, especially the GPS tracking functionality, that is the live tracking functionality. I was able to track my device during the journey, and which was really helpful, and also the alarm functionalities are also working really fine. So the device, overall the device is really good, and If you are thinking to buy this device, then you can find the Best Buy link given in the description below. So that's it for now guys. Hit the like button if you like this video, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and also hit the bell icon to get notified each time I upload my next video. This is me, Divekant Thaledi, and I'll catch you all in the next one.